Domestic Building Insurance, or DBI, is mandatory cover protecting homeowners in the event their building project cannot be completed or has defective works which cannot be rectified as their builder has died, disappeared or become insolvent. For policies issued by VMIA on or after the 1st of July 2015, DBI also provides cover for homeowners where their builder has failed to comply with a tribunal or court order. Builders in Victoria are required to obtain DBI on behalf of the homeowner for all domestic building works over $16,000. It is your builder's responsibility to obtain DBI on your behalf before they commence work. There are 4 Victorian government agencies that can help your building project go to plan. To understand the building process, learn about your rights before signing a contract, or seek advice on resolving issues which arise during your building project, simply visit the Consumer Affairs website. For more information on knowing what to look for when choosing a building practitioner, visit the Victorian Building Authority website. Ask your builder if they've obtained DBI for your building project, or you can check online by submitting a request through our website. When you receive your certificate of insurance, check and make sure the details on the certificate match the details in your building contract. Now you can commence your building project with the confidence that you understand the building process, know what to look for when choosing a building practitioner, and can confirm your building project is insured. If you find that during or after your build you experience any disputes with your builder and your builder has not died, disappeared or become insolvent, you can contact Domestic Building Dispute Resolution Victoria, otherwise known as DBDRV. DBDRV can help to resolve domestic building disputes and provide builders and owners with access to tailored dispute resolution services that are free, fair and fast. For further information, contact the relevant agency. We're here to help things go to plan.